Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17R, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset this device. Okay, we have a few methods how we can do it. Let me show you all of the options. So, first option is the easiest one, and it's simply through the settings. Open up the settings on your iPhone. Now go back until you find the general, and then scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone. Simply click on that. And now to perform a factory reset, we need to click on erase all content and settings. And now in here we have a list of the things that will be erased from our iPhone. Then simply click on continue, then type your screen lock to confirm. After that, all of your data will be erased from this iPhone. Then your iPhone will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and the next thing that you need to do is to set it up. That's the easiest way. Also, if you want to reset the settings but not erase it, you have always the reset option above, and here we can, for example, reset all settings, reset network settings, keyboard dictionary, and the rest. But to perform a factory reset, you need to click on erase all content and settings. That's the first method. We can also reset our iPhone by using the Mac or simply a computer with the Windows. First, I'll show you how we can do it on the Mac. So I need to make some space right in here. To do it, we also need to connect our iPhone into our... first, I'm going to show you it on the Mac, so simply connect it. If you're connecting your phone for the first time, the iPhone will ask you, do you want to trust this computer? Simply click on trust, and then it will start working. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Mac to show you what to do. And now we need to open up the Finder app. It's this app right in here. Also, of course, the phone needs to be connected. And now click on your R on the left side. Wait until your iPhone loads right in here, and now we can simply click on restore iPhone. When you click on that, you will have to type your screen lock on your iPhone to confirm, and after that your device will be erased, and then the software will be downloaded simply. Remember that erasing your device will cause that all of your data will be erased. In my case, on my Finder on my Mac, as you take a look, I also have the backup of my data. For me, that's like a must-have. I always like to have the backup of my data in case the situation that I simply want to restore it. I highly recommend creating a backup. We have a few methods how we can do it, and on our channel there's also a video when I'm showing you all backup methods, so if you want, you can look for that video. Okay, so in here simply click on restore iPhone, just like I have said, and that's how you can reset your iPhone. But for me, resetting through the settings on your iPhone itself, it's simply better. Okay, now I'll show you how we can reset our iPhone on the PC or laptop, but in this case with Windows operating system. So I'll launch my PC and I'll show you what to do. Alright, to do it on a Windows PC or laptop, we need to have the Apple Devices app downloaded. We can download it from the Microsoft Store. Right in here, simply type Apple Devices and download this app. To launch the Microsoft Store, simply click right in here, type Microsoft Store, then enter it, and the app will launch. Okay, once it's downloaded and the app is launched, now we need to connect our iPhone into computer using USB-C cable. The same thing we had to do on the Mac, so have that in mind, because I think that I have forgot to say that. Okay, as you can see, we have the information on our in our app, and now in here simply again click on restore iPhone, this option right in here. Then your device will be erased, then the operating system will be downloaded, and the next thing that you need to do is to simply set up your device. In here also you can create a backup of your data in case you want to restore it later in the future. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.